Welcome to What's Cooking. Today I have Christina, 2012 Paralympic London. And welcome Christina to our show. It's such a joy to have you joining me cooking. And today I'm going to be cooking with Christina. It's a stir-fried chicken with beautiful spices. I have onions, I have parsley, garlic, 2 chilies, spring onion, thyme, and red and orange pepper. And the secret ingredient is this one. I don't know if you've seen this before, but this is amazing. It's called the Vietnamese rice paper. And what we're going to do, we're going to wrap over ingredient. When it's all cooked, wrap it into this paper, and it's delicious, it's fun with the children, and it's easy. Okay, let's get cooking.
I'm so excited.
Yes, I'm excited as well to have you here. It's great to be cooking together and sharing testimonies. You will hear more later. Okay, Christina, what I would like you to do to cut these peppers for me. Hot pan. So spring onion goes into the chicken here. And I'm not going to do it too hot today, only 2 green chilies. 2 green chilies just to get it by. Fresh thyme, just throw them in there. I mean, so easy. And onions. So do you love cooking, Christina?
Yes, I do love cooking. Me and my mom, we do traditional food at home. That's usually some traditional Ukrainian soups and specific way of cooking meat, salads, cakes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, one day you have to show me one of your ingredients.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, that'd be great. So yes, in the chicken now I've got my onions, spring onion, I've got parsley, and now I'm going, and thyme. Okay, that goes in here. We're going to put some salt and pepper. Salt goes in there. You know, cooking doesn't have to be hard. You know, I started cooking when I was very young. And I used to watch my mom cooking, and I just put everything that I have in the kitchen. Sometimes I open the fridge, open the cupboard. I thought, what am I going to cook today? I have chicken, I have pepper. I thought, here we go, let's cook that. Olive oil. And we're going to stir fry them. Here we go. Whoa. While the chicken is cooking, let's get to know Christina a little bit better. Christina, so tell me, I mean, being a gold medalist, that's a big deal, a really big deal. So how old were you when you realized you wanted to go into the Olympic? Tell me.
It's hard to say when I started to feel that I would like to be a Paralympic champion or Olympic champion. Yeah. I started when I was like 7 years old to swim in a professional school. But I would say that when I started to realize that I have a good results, and I love to compete, and I love to swim, I realized that I would, like any athlete, everyone would like to be an Olympic champion. So I think it was since I started to swim and since I started to realize that I like to compete.
Well, obviously it was a long road. Becoming an Olympic champion doesn't take an overnight job. I am sure in that road you had failures, you were discouraged. Tell me what motivated you to push forward, to go and realize this is a dream, I need to achieve it.
It doesn't happen overnight.
Yes.
It takes a lot of time. It takes years.
Yes.
It takes a lot of work.
Yes.
There was many failures.
Yes.
As a winning, I was winning. I was failing sometimes. But you know, I always had this feeling that even if I fail, I always have a support from my family.
Yes.
Also, I have a God in my life.
Amen.
So I should not be afraid of any failures.
Yes.
And I always felt when I come to God, when I pray, ask Him for helping me He always hear me. He always give me an answers. And I
Yes.
always had this feeling that He will give me everything I need in my life.
Yes.
Because I trust Him. So, of course, there was many failures.
Yes.
But I always had this hope. I think God gave me hope.
There's so many people out there watching, especially young people who have big dreams. And just in a few words, what would you say to them? How would you encourage them to go and get that what they're dreaming of?
Yeah, I have some words for the people who are dreaming, especially teenagers and young
Yes.
people. We all have dreams, especially in this age. But you know, sometimes even our family, sometimes even our friends or people that seems close to us can discourage us.
Yes.
Or maybe, some failures can discourage us. But you know, you need to complete doing what you love. You want to achieve something, that you want to reach some goal. You can do this, and you know, just you need to trust God. You need to have God in your life. You have to ask Him for a wisdom, for a vision, what He wants you to do, and He always give support if you ask Him for that.
That's right.
Yes, and whenever whoever these people are, always look for the signs for Him,
Yes.
and just reach your goals.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we all have dreams. We all dream, small dream, big dreams. You know, the Bible say, you know, in Jeremiah 29:11, God has a perfect plan for you. If today you feel discouraged, I want to encourage you. Christina, I want to encourage you. You know, once you put your trust in the Lord and hold on to Him, He can make them become true in your life. So don't be discouraged. Yeah, follow your heart and seek God. Ask God, God, what would you want me to do in my life? And I tell you what, God will not let you down. People will let you down. Your friends will let you down. The whole world will let you down. But God will never let you down. Let's see what the chicken is doing. Here we go. Beautifully frying up. And we're going to add the pepper soon, 2-3 more minutes, because we want the pepper to be crunchy, not soggy. Okay, so the chicken is lovely and crispy. Now Christina's going to pour the pepper in there. We don't want the pepper to be overdone, so just a few seconds. Okay. Now the chicken is ready and it's cooled down, so the fun begins. We are going to wrap them in my famous rice paper. Okay, I need some helpers. Come on, guys, let's have some fun. I've got Hannah here, I've got husband here, and Christina here. We're going to just wrap this up. So, okay, what do? I will soften it for you. This is lukewarm, well, a little bit hot. Be careful. I like it a little bit hotter than usual. It's quicker. So we're going to soften the rice paper. So we turn it the other way. This is fun. It's fun to do with the kids, but adults should do this bit first. Okay, and I've got some tea towels here just to drain the water. Okay, that's done. So I will do the first one, guys, and you're going to follow my instruction. Here we go. We're going to have a bit of chicken, a bit of pepper, maybe a tiny bit more of chicken. Okay, so here we go. This is the fun bit. You ready? Okay, this way, that way, and then we fold the bottom. And look at that, it's a tiny, cute little parcel. like what you saw.
Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications.
Until next time, taste and see that the Lord is good.
You're bald.
Hey guys, look at this. You can use it as a fan. My husband liked to make me wait. I said, that's it, the baby's coming. He goes, darling, let me go and shave first.
You go backwards like that, so you go back, and you just keep going
Alright, it's
faster,
enough.
faster,
Alright,
faster.
good. I gave you a lot more than 5.
Oh my goodness.
What? You've been taking that?